Gonna eat those mice.
There
Look
we
at
go.
It's like, wait a minute, there's something in here.
It smells right. Yeah. Good job.
do a little noob shake. Yeah.
It's already dead, dude. I feel like he's trying to kill it.
He is. It's just, yeah, they tend to do that. It might not be totally dead. Should be, but...
Did you get them before you put them out here?
Don't always get all of them. Hey, are you getting a millipede?
He's getting a millipede.
Very cool.
And he just got this necklace over at the old bone room.
Oh, awesome. Good for you. Those are my favorite millipedes that we have right now. Very pretty.
You guys ever get the giant ones in?